Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. It's like today we're doing puzzle number 219. We start with this row. We're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. For this row, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 2. That 9 makes this our 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this box now, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here and a 9 here, so this is our 3. That 7 makes this our 9, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 2 here and a 3 here, so this is our 1. That 2 makes this our 3, 2. For this column, we're missing 2 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. For this column, we're missing 1 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got the 7 covering these two boxes, so our 7 has to be here, but I don't see any other help. So 5, 6, 5, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 3. That 1 makes this our 7, 1. For this box now, we're just missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here. Oh no, that can't be right. 6, 7, and 8. So we've got a 7 here, so 6, 8, 8 here, so 6, 7, 6 here, so 7, 8. For this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 8. 5 here, so 6, 5. That 6 makes this our 8, 7, 6. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 2, and I don't see any help. So 1, 2, 1, 2. For this column, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this column, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 8. I don't see any other help. So 5, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 2. That 1 makes this our 3, 1. That 2 makes this our 5, 2, 1, 2. That 1 makes this our 9, 1. That 5 makes this our 6, 5, 6. For this box now, we're missing a 3. For this box, we're missing a 4. And for this box, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.